I'm Rera, and today we're going to look at QuickStarter in Office 365's PowerPoint software. Starting from a blank slide can be daunting, right? That's why QuickStarter is here to guide you, avoiding delays and building most of your presentation for you. Let's take a look at how it works. First, we'll open PowerPoint and select QuickStarter. Enter your topic into the search bar. PowerPoint automatically creates sections for me to choose from based on my topic. This inspires the topics I'm looking to cover in my presentation. Once I've selected my sections, I can select a design template to my preference. Just like that, QuickStarter begins building my presentation. With images, a contents page, and even title pages. All I need to do now is fill in the information required. QuickStarter will even leave notes under each slide suggesting topics and starting points for me to research. My own personal curator. For some slides, I don't even need to leave PowerPoint to explore the information I'm looking for. QuickStarter grabs quotes and displays them right within PowerPoint, so all I have to do is pick one and move on. Creating a presentation is now easier and more effective with the assistance of PowerPoint QuickStarter. If equations are not your strong point, our next tutorial on OneNote's powerful math assistant might just solve your problem. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's better when you live connected. See you soon.